and asking price is $180,000 for this beauty. Have you ever seen bees on the 51st floor? This unit is almost 8,000 square feet of living area. I can see peaks, you know those peaks on the Bahamas? Right here is one of the best views in the whole Miami. That's what you're paying for. Have you ever seen bees on the 51st floor? Me? Never, ever, ever. This is the first time. No, seriously, you have your own garden in a penthouse and this beautiful sunny Miami, and you have bees, and I can smell those flowers. Welcome to Penthouse 5101 at the Ritz-Carlton Residences in the sunny Isles Beach. This magnificent, very unique. Look at this breathtaking views place, and I would love to show it to you. Almost 2,800 square feet of your outdoor space. Look at this. First of all, really important point. You see those separations on the both sides. They help you to be protected from the wind. Today is a very windy by the way, but we don't feel it because it's really covered, and it's important when you're buying, especially if you already have real estate in Miami. You know, when you're on a high floor and your balconies, terraces are not covered, you have wind, I would say, very often during the day. And here, it's a different story. You have your own pool. It's long enough that you can even do laps. Sitting areas, kitchen with your built-in grill, sitting area right there, dining table for probably 12, 14 people, and as well you have your own garden. And the bees, don't forget about bees. In case if you feel it's too hot outdoor and there is not much of a wind, there is always two windows on both sides that you can open, and you have that breeze from the ocean. Welcome to your massive living room that connected to the kitchen with the top-of-the-line appliances. Look at this humongous table, gorgeous marble table that can fit all your family and the friends. Look at this perfectly sized movie theater. Personally, I can guarantee it will fit all your family members and your friends. And the location, it's positioned right behind the kitchen. In case if you want to grab something from the kitchen, from the maybe wine cooler, right? Or maybe you want to cook some popcorn, it's right here. You just make 2 steps. So I think it was a smart idea to put it right here. And it's dark enough, you can enjoy your movies any time of the day. Here's a continuation of that gorgeous living area. By the way, whole apartment, whole penthouse is finished and furnished as well by Artefacto. Artefacto is one of the well-known guys from Brazil, but originally from Brazil, but they've been in this market for decades and very well known. I love their projects. Look at this. Look at that bookshelf, the panels, everything is so detailed, lighting. I love their work. You have your terraces on every side of the penthouse, and it's a wraparound. It's a full floor, so you can see Miami Beach in downtown from here. You can see ocean from here. I think you can see, what you can see from here? Cuba. Maybe Cuba from here. You can see Cuba, or you can see Bahamas. Actually, there is Bahamas. I can see Bahamas. I can see peaks. You know those peaks on the Bahamas, and. Jokes aside, this is 14 feet ceiling height. Welcome to primary bedroom. And why I called it suite? Because you have everything here. You have espresso machine, you have your sink, of course you have a wine cooler, and look at this. I'm gonna show it to you later, but first, this magnificent views from that elegant primary bedroom with the 260, 270 degrees views. Yeah, I would say 270, not 260. And the ceiling height creates really different atmosphere in here. You can feel it. breathing in here feels different. You have your small office desk. Separate from that, you have your office space on other side of the penthouse. And I'd like to show you bathroom, primary bathroom. Timeless primary bathroom dressed in a gorgeous white marble. And let's go, I'll show you, of course, I'll show you dressing room. You can call it dressing warehouse because it's huge enough. Again, with the high ceiling floor, 14 feet, very well decorated with the beautiful, beautiful glass. Look at this. Glass cabinet doors. I'd love to see when it's filled with the beautiful bags. Impressive. Let's see the rest of the penthouse. Personally, I do love this wallpaper, but what else you can do, I can tell you this for sure. You can use it as your, I can even hear echo. You can use it as your gallery and put your artwork on both sides of this wall. Here you have, I would say like a den, right? You have option to keep it as the way it is, or you can enclose it and make it as your office area. Every bedroom has own views on the city, on the canals, waterways. Every bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, and of course it has a own closet. Look at this. You have another walls for your art pieces. This is luxury, by the way. Not every place have it, so it's also one of other reasons why you should buy it. And the views everywhere. I like the shadow, the way it comes through the window. And here's your one, you have the maid room and you have entertaining area. Look at this. I think this is the piece of art, by the way. Beautiful, magnificent bar area that connected to pool table. You can entertain your friends, your family, and enjoy this all day long. And by the way, at night, it gets even better. The views from here, I used to live at different parts of Miami, and I've seen views, I would say. Trust me. I've been in the business for over a decade, and I've seen different views, and I can tell you, at night, when you have option, when you have a flow-through units, and it's not just facing, for example, city or just ocean, flow-through units, this is the best what you can get. And just to remind you, this unit is almost 8,000 square feet of living area, 4 bedrooms plus maid room, plus you have entertaining area, you have a office area, terraces, almost 2,800 square feet of terraces. And it's finished by Artefacto, and this unit right now is for rent. And asking price is $180,000 for this beauty. I can definitely tell you, right here is one of the best views in the whole Miami. That's what you're paying for. If you have any questions about this particular penthouse or maybe any other condos or houses here in Miami, reach out to me or personally or my team. We would love to help you. I'm pretty sure already some of you have been working with us, and let's make some deals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Miami.